Hi guys, how you doing? It's Dean here from WeCoach Crypto. I hope you're keeping well. I hope you're having a great start to the week. Okay, obviously we're here Tuesday today, and the market cap's now back at 1.86 trillion. So what I believe is we're starting to come out of this nasty correction that we've been in for the last kind of 3 months-ish. It's been a bit of a nasty correction. A lot of people on YouTube and a lot of people out there were calling this is the end of the market. The market's going to collapse now. We're in a bear market. That's it. We're in a multi-year bear market. You know, the Bitcoin's going down. The whole market, all the fear was coming in. Elon Musk was tweeting every 5 seconds, bringing the market down. China bans here, China bans crypto, Binance getting attacked. You know, we're going to ban crypto. New legislation's coming in from all the different governments. You know, Bitcoin's going to zero for the thousandth time, you know, in its existence, is going to zero. It ain't. Okay. What we've gone through is a mid-cycle correction. Okay, and it has been a nasty one. I'm not going to get it twisted. It has been a nasty correction, and at some points I was looking at some of the key resistance points and support levels and thinking, you know, if this keeps going lower, then technically we are going to enter a bear market. There's no two ways about it. I'll always keep you guys well informed. I won't lie and tell you it's a bull market when it's a bear market, or vice versa. But I did not see a bear market. I didn't see it. We didn't break them key resistance areas. You know, we got down to about 28. I'm talking about Bitcoin here because it's the main driver of the market. We got down to about 28.30, and we didn't push lower than that. Okay. If we would have pushed lower than that, we'd have got down to about 24, 23. Then and around to about 20, then I would have called a bear market. I said, guys, we're in a bear market now, but we didn't break them lines. And look, we've gone straight back up to 46 now in a matter of weeks. Okay, Bitcoin is going much higher, much higher. You know, I'm sticking to my opinion and my prediction. And like I said, it's my opinion, so don't take my word for it. It's just my opinion. From my technical analysis, I believe Bitcoin's going to go to somewhere in this cycle. And like I said, it is an opinion. Not financial advice either. I believe it's going to go somewhere between 200 and 300k, and that's just me looking at all the different cycles and looking at how we've been growing throughout them cycles. And I believe that's where Bitcoin should be, somewhere between 2 to 300k. So, you know, it is what it is. People are going to call me crazy, but it's just my opinion. It's just my prediction. I do believe, like some of the alts, you know, I'm a big fan of VeChain, XRP, Trias, Ethereum, even Bitcoin Cash. I believe they're going to see massive gains in this cycle. If you guys think you've seen something in the first half of this year, okay, and from what I believe is coming, the second half of this run, you ain't seen nothing. You're going to see explosive growth, and at the end of the day, anything can happen. We're in a new market. We could pull right back from 46 right back down into a bear market. That can happen, obviously, but all the technical information I'm seeing and everything I'm seeing in the market, the sentiment, the news, and the infrastructure and everything, and just how Bitcoin's performing, I don't feel like we're going to be going into a bear market. I believe we're taking a step up now. We've come out of this correction. I believe we're going much higher, much higher as well. I'm thinking somewhere between kind of 8 to 10 to 12 trillion market cap. I do see XRP going much higher as well. I believe that's going to be one of the, like BitBoys talked about it. He's only started talking about it now. We were talking about it, you know, over a year ago. BitBoys only coming out and talking about XRP now. Okay. Right, fair play to him. He's part of the XRP army now, but I do believe, you know, XRP is going to be one of the main performers of this market cycle. I believe it's going to absolutely melt faces. It's going to be absolutely crazy the kind of growth we can see in XRP. You know, Ethereum, I believe, is going to be great growth in there as well. But some of these smaller coins, that's where you're going to make very big money. But you've got to educate yourself, and you've got to understand what you're doing. You know, education is the most important thing in crypto and in any investment. Educate yourself, and you'll stand a much better chance of making money and growing your portfolio. Yeah, Bitcoin, I believe 200 to 300k. I want to go on to exit strategy, but before I do, obviously you guys have got into crypto, or anybody that's got into crypto. You've got into crypto, you've studied, you've got some skin in the game, you've invested in a couple of projects, okay, and you've obviously got a strategy of you're trading the markets or you're hodling, which you're dollar cost averaging and buying bits of crypto here and there, putting it into your portfolio. But then we want to go on to what are you doing after that? Because a lot of people talk about getting into crypto. I'm sure you've seen a lot of videos from us saying getting into crypto, and then what our strategies are: holding or trading, dollar cost averaging in, looking at what cryptos are performing well, exchanging them for lower kind of newer opportunities and kind of cryptos that are going to blow up, taking your profits, going into other projects. That's all great, but cycles do end. So we've got to have a market strategy. That's one thing you guys have got to consider, an exit strategy. It's all right making 100 grand or 200 grand in the market, but you've got to have a strategy. You've got to pull some profit. When is that? When is that time? When is that? Who knows when that time is? But, you know, when are you going to pull money out of the market? That's why you've got to have an exit strategy. It's good and well getting into crypto, making all them gains, okay? Because a lot of people in 217, they thought it was going to continue going on, and then we had Bitcoin go from 3,000 or 2,000. I can't remember what it was. It was under that, right up to 20,000, and then collapsed. So you got to know where the exit. You got to have an exit strategy, and you got to know where to pull profits. Okay, and that's where you've got to look at what your goals are. Why did you get into crypto? Did you do it to buy a house? Did you do it to buy a car? Did you do it to get married? Did you do it to just better your life, have a nice luxuries? You know, what was the main reason you got into crypto? Okay, and that will determine what your exit strategy is and where you're happy to start exiting. What does that exit strategy look like? Are you going to scale out of it? Are you going to take 10% at this level, 10% at this level, 10% at this level, 10% at that level? Okay, when will that right time be? When's Bitcoin going to top out? Is it going to top out at where I said between 200 and 300? Is it going to top out at 150? So you got to know where to take your profits. Because the last thing you want to do is if Bitcoin goes up to say 300k or say just say 200k, goes up to 200k, okay, and you're thinking, and a lot of people get drawn in then because they think it's going to keep going forever. The hopium's there, all the money's coming in. There's great news everywhere. Then bam, a massive whale or a couple of whales start selling off, and we start selling off a cascading effect, and Bitcoin starts dropping. That's half your profits going back down, especially if you got in at 30,000 or 50,000 US, and it's got up to 100, 150k, 200k, and then suddenly just drops 30, 40, 50% in a matter of days, which Bitcoin can do. We're all aware of that. So you've got to have an exit strategy. You've got to know when you're coming out. And that's one thing that I'm working on, one-on-one with our inner circle, looking at their exit strategy, how they're going to do it, how they're going to scale out. You know, because once you've scaled out and you've come back into cash, we can sit and wait for the market to come back down, burn off some steam, okay, and then get back in and double our position and go back up again. So you're constantly building that tripling that portfolio and taking some money out for yourselves, and then looking at how you're going to do that. You know, obviously there's a lot of regulation coming in now. What's the best way of being, so we say, tax efficient with your crypto? These are some things that you've got to think about, because people think you're just going to take your crypto and put it back into your bank, and you're going to go spend 100 grand, go buy a car. You've got to pay tax on it. So what are the most tax efficient ways of doing it? There's a lot of different things you have to think about on an exit strategy, because let's be honest, you didn't just get into crypto to get into crypto, did you? Just to buy some crypto and it go up and then just sit on it for the rest of your life and let it keep going up. You wanted to take some profit. You've risked your money. You guys have risked your money for a reason, because you wanted to have it grow, pull some out and move on to something else, or buy a house, or whatever it is you want to do. So that's why I say exit strategy, guys. Always think about an exit strategy when you're going into crypto, okay? Always have that exit strategy ready. We do coaching calls. We can talk about your exit strategy. We can go through an exit strategy. We have exit strategies. Funcho has an exit strategy. We Coach Crypto has an exit strategy that we share with our clients, our inner circle clients, and we're more than happy to have a chat with you, explain to you what we do as a business and explain the services we offer. Okay, you can contact us, and then we're more than happy to sit down and have a chat. The other thing I was going to quickly mention, guys, is there's been a fake account, or a couple of fake accounts going under my personal name, Dean Bitcoin Official, loads of different variations. I would never DM you and ask you to put money into an account or send it over here, or I can double your money from, you know, £500 to 5,000 in 24 hours. You know, you guys are smart enough to work out crypto doesn't work like that. You know, we are long-term investors. I would never ask you for no money. I would never contact you and DM you and say send any money over to me. You know, we have a business. If any of the services appeal to you from what we're doing, then you can contact us, guys. We do have free resources. If it's something that you want to you're looking into, or you think, you know what, I want to learn a little bit about this before I contact Dean and Funcho at We Coach Crypto, hit us up. We'll give you. We've got a free investment guide. Read it. It's 35 pages full of videos. Read it at your own leisure. You have any questions, come back to us. If it's something you want to move forward with, we can come to our office in Leamington Spa, sit down, have a chat with us, move forward from there, guys. But keep winning. Always think about your exit strategy. Okay, the market's going to boom now, I believe, in my opinion. Keep your eyes open. You know, one thing I would say as well, guys, is scared money don't make no money. By you thinking about you're going to get into crypto, okay, and hoping the price, I know a lot of people that are hoping the price were going to go down to 10k. It ain't. It's gone from 30k straight back up to 46. You know, I don't think we're ever going to see, in my opinion, I don't think we're ever going to see a 10k Bitcoin again. I don't. You know, it could happen, but I don't think, just the way the economy is going, the way money's moving into Bitcoin now, and how the market's growing, and the kind of fundamentals behind it, and the way it's going, I can't see a 10k Bitcoin ever again, in my opinion, guys. Have a great day, guys. Keep winning. Anything you need, contact me, here to help. Keep winning, guys.